something wasn't right, yeah. Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight. Show me what you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Just because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe, if I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign to hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby.
Yeah, today is the day that the Lord has made. But that's beside the point. I'm going to tell you why my car's not grandma. Yeah. Okay, my dog's barking is really annoying, but we'll figure it out, right? Okay, first things first. It has lower lumbar support for developing athletes. Okay, check out this lower lumbar support. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this curvature to it. It has this curvature. See that? It feels really nice on your back. I know for a fact that rhymed. Because last weekend I got locked out of my house for like 6 hours. It was kind of ridiculous. So I sat in my car for a good hour and a half. Just kind of laying there. And it fixed my back, which hurt really bad because I had this messed up hip dealio thingy. Yeah, so it works. It works. Bye, Mom. I'll be right back. Grandma wouldn't have to tell her mom that she was going out for the day. Thirdly, it has an enormous back seat for activities. Okay, now this back seat has an enormous amount of room for activities, if you catch my drift. It's huge. I mean, it really is pretty big. I don't know how well I'm showing this, but it's huge. Like, I mean, look at that floor space, everything. It's just ginormous. Check that out. It's huge. Just huge. Yes, activities. And lastly, I can go cruising, riding solo, and look like a stud.
Finally doing me and it feels so right. Oh, time to do the things I like. Going to the club, everything's alright. Oh, no one to answer to, no one is gonna argue. No, and since I got that hold off me, I'm living life now that I'm free. Yeah, told me get my shit together. Now I got my shit together. Yeah. Now I made it through the weather. Better days are gonna get better. I'm so sorry that it didn't work out. I'm moving on. I'm so sorry, but it's over now.
Fine.
The pain is gone. I'm putting on my shades to cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride. I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. Solo. I'm feeling like a star. You can't stop my shine. I'm floating cloud nine. My head's in the sky. I'm solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. Solo. I'm putting on my shades to cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride. I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. Solo. I'm feeling like a star. You can't stop my shine. I'm floating cloud nine. My head's in the sky. I'm solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo. 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 like S-O-L-O-S-S-O-L-O-S-S-O-L-O. I'm living my life, ain't got stress no more. I'm putting on my shades to